Hi everyone, my name is Doğan Yıldız. My news item is Professor Dr. Mehmet Çilingiroğlu inspired from Habertürk TV channel because he praised Turkey. It was written on 3rd of April and on the internet newspaper Takvim. What it says Professor Dr. Mehmet Çilingiroğlu has praised Turkey, and Habertürk didn't like his speech, and they did some unrespectful movements towards him, and he has left channel. And I watched that program, and Takvim uh, was true at some point, and they was lying at some point, because in the program, moderator of Habertürk TV always cut his speech and interrupt him, and he got angry. As a human, he wanted to leave. He wanted to leave the channel program, and he left. But on Takvim, it says they fired. They fired from the program. It is a lie. But in my opinion, what should we do when a scientist or one person who has knowledge about something? We have to listen first. After we listen, we can also argue with him. It's not problem, but these days are bad days, because we are struggling with corona, and we have to give each other moral, and we shouldn't do think about political issues. I like Erdogan, you don't like Habertürk. It is these days it is something that unnecessary. And as a citizens, we have to be a little bit educated, and we should focus on solutions about corona. We shouldn't think, oh, he praised Erdogan and we have to do some unrespectful moments towards him. And the other side say they got fired him because he praised Erdogan or Turkey. It shouldn't be like this, I think. To sum up, two different views of the political sides. They fight, and they use a scientist as their subject, but he just wanted to give some information. We have to get that information. We shouldn't think, oh, he likes Erdogan, or oh, he doesn't like Erdogan. We shouldn't think about that. We have to get just what he talks about and what will be future like. Thanks you for listening, guys.